Alright, welcome back. Monday, January 3rd, 2022. João Moutinho is the hero as Wolves beat Man United at Old Trafford, all by the numbers. So this match comes 127 days after the last meeting, 127 the 31st prime, and Wolves manager Bruno Lage gets his 31st point for the club, making Ralph Rangnick 3-1 with Man United, like 31, and keeping Man United on 31 league points this season. 4 months and 9 days before his birthday, he gets Wolves' 4th win to Man United's 9, like 49, against Rangnick on matchweek 21, both 49. Man United are now 9-6 in the league, and they became 9-6 against Wolves, 96. 188 days after his birthday, Ralph Rangnick gets his 188th career loss. Bavarian Illuminati sums to 188, and 8 months, 2 days after the anniversary of the establishment of the Bavarian Illuminati, number 28, João Moutinho, gets Wolves' 28th league point of the season by scoring a goal in the 82nd minute. 8 months, 2 days after the anniversary of Bavarian Illuminati, number 28 gets his club's 28th league point of the season by scoring in the 82nd minute. COVID equals 28 and 82. Coincidence? Most definitely not. João Moutinho gets his 52nd career goal against Man United. How fitting is that his name equals 52, and so does Man United, and he gets his 52nd career goal against United. This comes 35 weeks and 3 days before his upcoming birthday, like 353, the 71st prime, and he scores the winner against Manchester United, 71. Another day, another ritual in the Premier League. It just doesn't get any better. João Moutinho. I like saying that name, João. João Cancelo gets robbed at his home just a few days ago, and now João Moutinho scores the winner against United. That might be a coincidence, but João, what a name. Until next time.